Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is Nusrat and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to help you with meal prep. If you're on a journey of weight loss, there is definitely no substitute. That's because the main problem we face with weight loss is we don't know what to choose, what to eat, and then we often make poor decisions. We just order a pizza. For this reason, having a plan, having a meal prep ahead of your weight loss week is a great idea. And today I'm going to share with you a full day's meal prep. So without further ado, let's get started. To begin with, start your day with lemon water. Warm water with lemon in the morning is one of the most used and effective remedies to get rid of belly fat. Not only that, you also get a lot of vitamins early in the morning. After about 40 minutes or 1 hour, have your breakfast. For breakfast, you could simply have a toast with avocado. One thing I would like to mention that this is a meal prep without any sugar. Of course, for weight loss, you really need to focus on meals without sugar, and this is really going to help you gain faster results, and you're going to feel so much rewarded at the end of it. So, with your breakfast, you could also have a smoothie made up of apple and carrot, or apple and banana. You could alternate between days. At the end of this video, I'm going to share a special breakfast smoothie recipe that is meant for weight loss. So stick around and find out. Now, if you do not want to have toast with avocado, you could always have an oatmeal. Oatmeals are really helpful when it comes to weight loss because they contain soluble fiber. However, one word of caution is that I would ask you to avoid instant oatmeal, and it's also good that you don't add sugar to it. It is recommended to have half a cup of dry oats for one meal to lose weight. For lunch, you can have spinach salad with nuts. Now, certain nuts, especially almonds, walnuts, are really good for weight loss. And with spinach, you're going to get a lot of fiber, you're going to feel full, and it is also a great way to add in nutrients. You could also have sliced apples with a sprinkle of cinnamon. For snacks, you could simply have carrots, cucumber, celery sticks, anything that feels good for you. And this is also going to help you feel less hungry throughout the day. For dinner, you could have baked chicken with veggies on the side or baked salmon. For this, you would need boneless, skinless chicken breast, smoked paprika, seasonings such as dried oregano, basil, rosemary, or Italian seasoning, garlic powder, salt and pepper, as well as olive or avocado oil. To begin with, simply preheat the oven to 450 degrees, and this should take about 15 to 20 minutes. Season the chicken breasts and bake it uncovered for about 25 to 35 minutes. For veggies, you could get an assortment of colorful veggies, add it with some seasoning on avocado oil or olive oil, simply toss it, and you have your veggies. Now, this is really not an overnight weight loss strategy. However, if you stick to a plan, you're going to see great results in time. A lot of people have the same meals every day, and I really don't recommend that much because I feel like eating the same thing over and over again has the risk of missing some important micronutrients. However, if you want, you could repeat this for an entire week with slight changes. For example, for breakfast with brown bread toast, you could have boiled eggs instead of avocado. For lunch, you could have cauliflower rice with chicken, and this is going to be really healthy as well as nutritious. You could also have broccoli at the same time. Next, for dinner, you could have the same on certain days, and on other days you could have steak with zucchini, asparagus, and raw spinach. On certain days you could have baked salmon with sweet potato and side veggies. It is recommended to be losing about 1 pound per day. I hope you have enjoyed this, and I hope it has helped you. If it did, let us know in the comments, and if you have more ideas related to meal prep, share it with others. See you in the next video. It's Nusrat. Take care.